Here we have a power of a product property, but this time there's also a variable in front that we have to deal with. We know that we have to distribute this exponent into both terms. So the 5 and to the x squared term. So we have that 5 here, and now we distribute that 2. Then we have that x squared. Now we distribute. So we're going to multiply it by a 2 here. All right. So then as a result, we have here 5 to the second power, which becomes 25. X 2 times 2 becomes x to the 4th. That would be the complete answer. Okay. Here we have a negative exponent. Let's just distribute first. So we distribute it here, then we distribute it here. All right. So we have that 2. The exponent here is negative 3. Then we have an x to the negative 2. And we distribute, so we have to multiply that by negative 3. So 2 to the negative 3 power, we don't like to work with that, so we're going to bring it down. So it becomes 2 to the 3rd. On top, we have x, negative 2 times negative 3 becomes a positive 6. Okay, so we don't need to touch that. So we have x to the 6 on top, and on bottom, it is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So that would be the answer, x to the 6 over 8. Then we have C. Okay, let's distribute the exponent in to the 2. So we have 2. The exponent here is negative 2. Then we have x to the 11. That negative 2 is going to be distributed there. So we're going to multiply that by negative 2. Okay. So again, we do not like the negative exponent. So we're going to bring it down. So it becomes 2 to the 2. This becomes x to the negative 22, which is on top. Again, we don't like it on top, so we're going to bring it down. So there's a 2 to the second power on the bottom and an x to the 22 on the bottom. So this becomes 1 over 4x to the 22nd power. That would be its complete answer. All right? So there you go. That is how you do power of a product property with a coefficient in front.